Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Let's go have a look. The easiest part of setting up camp is your 12-volt awning. Let's go and set it up. So to extend your awning, you must ensure that your awning is in the on position. Once the awning is in on position, then we're free to press the extend button located on your control panel. The awning will automatically extend from the van and automatically calibrate itself. To retract the awning, just press the retract button located on your control panel and the awning will retract automatically. So from extending to retracting your awning, it's that easy. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.